Alright, dear viewers. Today we're going to review the results of our work. We'll have Kinich play a piece. Which piece, you ask? I chose Liszt's La Campanella. Some of you might say, dude, jumping straight into La Campanella, that doesn't seem right. Shouldn't you start with Haydn first? Well, this is a piano puppet. It's a robot. Not a real person, not a piano student. To it. La Campanella and Haydn are no different. So let's go with La Campanella. A2 now, 3. Drag it in. Scan it, 2 tracks. We'll select both. I need to go back and pick the character first. Let me find him. There he is. We'll start by generating the animation with the default settings. OK, 1. Click Execute. Alright, generation is done. Let's copy the result. Then paste it over here. Click Generate Animation. Now let's take a look. Let me save it. Hit play. Pause. We've got a problem. Look at the keyboard. The glow means the key is being pressed, but the keys don't have any pressing down animation. This kind of thing is pretty common. We need to find Kinich's keyboard. Then open its control rig. It needs to be recompiled once. That's the only way the node that converts flow tracks into curve animations will take effect. After compiling, come back and check. Now the keys have the pressing down animation. Alright, let's continue playing. Okay, let's pause here. I don't know if you guys noticed the issue. There are missed notes in the middle. Missed notes are actually pretty normal. Let's check the console output. Notice this line, fingering generation complete. But because the hand movement speed exceeded the limit, 759 frames were skipped. That means 30.5% of the notes weren't pressed. All of those were skipped. Why is that? Let's go back to the character settings. There are 3 time constants that affect where the frames get skipped. One is the key press speed. Another is the finger lift speed. If 2 notes are too close together, there's not even enough time to press and release. So that note naturally gets skipped. There's also the hand octave travel time. If 2 consecutive notes are very far apart, and there's not enough time for the hand to move. So, let's reduce all 3 parameters. Hand octave travel time, set it to 0.2. That means it can move 5 octaves per second. That's pretty fast. Key press time, let's set it to 0.05. Finger lift time, set it to 0.06. Finger lifting is always a bit slower than pressing. Alright, we'll leave the other parameters unchanged. Let's regenerate. Okay, generation is done. No need to rush into generating the animation just yet. Let's check the output first. Still, due to speed exceeding the limit, 17.1% of frames were skipped. Of course, that's better than before. Before it was over 30%. Now let's regenerate the animation. Let's see the results. There was some arpeggio frames skipped just now. Show that 10-something% loss is showing. Some of you might be wondering, is there a way to play all the notes perfectly? Yes, there is, my friend. Yes, there is. Notice the character settings. There's a speed filter option down here. By default, it's enabled, so it follows the time limits above and skips frames that can't be played. Let's just disable it. Done. No more pretending I'm a robot. Looks like it's about to show its true power. Let's regenerate the animation. Alright, generation is done. Let's regenerate the animation. This time, let's watch the full performance. It's completely obvious now that it's not a real person. I still spotted a lot of bugs. First, when setting up the default pose, the wrist height should be a bit higher. Otherwise, when pressing certain notes, the wrist being too low causes noticeable clipping. That can be fixed later. Another thing, when both hands are in the high register, I noticed some very strange movements. I'm not sure what's causing that yet. I'll look into it later, then figure out how to fix it. Overall, this kind of thing isn't common, so at this point, we've gone through the entire workflow for creating a piano puppet. In a future episode, I'll recommend some video resources. You can go check them out. They cover some things I didn't talk about before. For example, the process of building a piano. Also, we can add more detail to the character. Plus, there's the lip sync module, so the puppet can sing while playing. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.